In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install N8N on your desktop using a quick and simple setup process. The easiest way to install N8N is by using the desktop application. First, go to the official N8N download page and download the version that matches your operating system, whether you're using Windows, MacOS, or Linux. Once the file is downloaded, open it and follow the installation steps. Just click Next, install the application, and wait for the setup to finish. After installation, launch N8N Desktop. The system will automatically start running N8N on your local machine. Now open your browser and go to localhost port 5678. This will bring you directly to the N8N interface, where you can start building workflows. If you prefer a more advanced setup, you can also install N8N using Docker Desktop. After installing Docker, you simply run a command to start the container, and N8N will be available in your browser. Another option is installing via Node. J's using npm, where you install N8N globally and start it using a simple terminal command. Once N8N is running, you'll be asked to create an admin account. After that, you can immediately start building automations using the Visual Workflow Editor. And that's how to install N8N on desktop. Download the app, install it, launch it locally, and start automating your workflows right away.